In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to see where a file was downloaded from. So, this is mostly useful for files that have been downloaded a long time ago, for example, and perhaps you can't find them in the browsing history. For the demo, I've downloaded this image here, and of course it has its entry in my browser, but I could very well remove it. In this case, the only thing left is to go back to File Explorer and search for the link in the so-called zone identifier. More on that in a second. First, we need to open the command prompt in this folder. The easiest way to do that is by typing cmd in the address bar right here. As you can see, cmd opened in the demo folder. With that being said, the command to fetch this zone identifier is the following. Type in more, then an angle bracket and the name of your file, in my case img.jpg, then colon, zone.identifier and hit enter. As you can see, you get the zone ID, which is something to do with Internet Explorer and mostly shouldn't bother you. Then you get the referrer URL, which is the website hosting the file, and then you have the host URL, which in this case is the download link. Now let's delve deeper into this zone identifier thing. It's actually like a separate file that gets created every time you download something from the internet, and a dir command with parameter r shows you this entry. If I want to be entirely factual, I should say this is an alternate data stream with information about the file. Anyway, this zone identifier exists only when the file has been downloaded from the internet. In the properties of the file, you will see this text about the file being blocked. If I unblock it and later try to find where it was downloaded from, I won't be able to, because the zone identifier will be removed. With that being said, thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.